Hello my fam, today I'm in a mood to try an inspired look. Oh wait, how about Kylie? And I picked this simple luscious look. First, I used the all-in-one concealer from Body Shop. PALLADIO's Tantalizing Taupe Quartz eyeshadow. And now it's time to contour generously, and I use my favorite loose powder from Mud Cosmetics, and I target the cheekbones, jawline and the nose. And quickly moving on to creating luscious lips using Hot Date Lip Definer by the Body Shop. And using this delicious satin lip color by Mud Cosmetics. And now I'm all set to take only a million selfies.